Welcome to the video tutorial of using the what if function in DegreeWorks. The what if functionality in DegreeWorks allows for students and advisors to hypothetically change your major, minor, or concentration. It shows you what coursework is required for the degree, what courses you have taken that satisfy the requirements, and what courses you have left to take. To assess this function, you will click on the What If tab located on the left-hand side under your Worksheets tab. Under the primary area of study, you will then choose the program you are interested in. Each college and their degree listing is shown in the program section. For example, if you select Bachelor of Arts for Humanities and Social Sciences, only the majors listed in this college will be listed there. The minor listing stays the same regardless of what program you select. Later on in the presentation, I will provide two examples of choosing a different program. Now, we will run an audit for a psychology major with a child advocacy and policy minor. To view the elected changes in your audit, you will select Process What If tab. Your landing page will now show the minor you have selected, and if you decided to save the audit, you will click on Save as PDF. If you scroll down to the major requirements for psychology, it shows you the credits required for this major, the credits you have applied, which includes completed courses and courses you have in progress, and it tells you how many credits you still need to complete. Moving down to the minor requirements, it highlights the same as the major requirements: credits required, applied, and still need. Let's see the examples of different programs. Students interested in a major at Education and Human Services must take note when choosing this program that they offer both a Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science degree. Each area of study has different majors listed, and some require a concentration. For School of Business, they also offer both a Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science degree. However, concentration is only applicable to the Bachelor of Science degree. If multiple majors, minors, or concentrations were to be added to the What If audit, the additional areas of study should be utilized. Make your selection and click Add. After completion, you will select the Process What If tab. If a student would like to run a What If audit, which includes future classes or classes not yet registered for, the Choose Your Future Classes section can be utilized. Enter the course subject, number, and click Add Course. After completion, you will select Process What If. On your audit, the class will show as planned, highlighted there in blue. Now that you have an understanding of how to run a What If audit, if you have any questions regarding an audit you processed, feel free to contact your advisor, whose name will be listed on your DegreeWorks. You can email them directly from this page or set up an appointment.